In just a few fleeting moments, nature can erupt with devastating power, from raging storms, terrifying flash floods, to tsunamis towering like skyscrapers. All have been captured in footage that sent chills across the world. These are not just images, but living proof of the unstoppable force of our planet. Welcome to Mega Disasters, caught on camera. Today we will explore China is drowning, streets become rivers, homes collapse, entire regions submerged. The most terrifying and haunting natural disaster moments ever recorded by humans. So brace yourself, because what you're about to witness, will leave you unable to look away. in just a moment, nature can transform from peaceful into a living nightmare. Storms that sweep away entire cities, floods that submerge every street, and volcanoes erupting with skies of fire all stand as undeniable proof of the overwhelming power beyond human control. Welcome to Mega Disasters, Caught on Camera, the place where the most terrifying and raw moments of natural disasters are captured on film. Here you will witness not just images, but stories of survival, resilience, and the fragility of humanity in the face of Earth's immense power. If you love gripping footage and want to uncover the mysteries and truths behind natural disasters, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Your support is the driving force that inspires us to bring you even more breathtaking and authentic videos. Join us on this journey as we explore the most shocking natural disasters ever caught on camera. And brace yourself, because what you're about to see will leave you unable to look away.